Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing errors with the HelloFresh app or having delivery-related issues, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Open your phone settings and go to the Apps or Application Manager section. Locate the HelloFresh app in your list of installed applications. Step 2. Tap on the HelloFresh app and select Storage. Clear the cache by tapping Clear Cache, and if issues persist, also clear the app data. Step 3. Force stop the HelloFresh app from your settings menu, then close it completely by swiping it away from recent apps to ensure a fresh restart. Step 4. Check your internet connection by opening a web browser or another app. HelloFresh requires good connectivity to manage orders and delivery schedules. Step 5. Visit your App Store and search for HelloFresh. Install any available updates to get the latest bug fixes and feature improvements. Step 6. If you're having delivery issues specifically, check your delivery schedule and address in the app. Go to Account Settings and verify your delivery information is correct. Step 7. For delivery problems, contact HelloFresh customer service directly through the app or website. They can track your order, reschedule deliveries, or resolve issues with your box. If the app continues to malfunction, uninstall and reinstall it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then sign back in with your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.